This is video 4 for week 11 and covers slides 14 to 18. So now you're going to either leave a line, like a blank line in the letter. You might want to indent, or if you're just having the format where there's a white line, a white space between paragraphs, that's fine. Now you're going to start the middle paragraph. And this is where you're probably going to insert evidence that you have 2 or 3 or 4 of what you believe are the most important skills or qualifications for the job. Okay, so you don't just say you have them, you have to provide a little bit of background and evidence for them. So group skills, which I demonstrated doing something. Okay, so take a look at the rubric again to see how you're going to be graded for this section. You are going to go back to those charts that you did on the assignment, and you pick out what you think are the 2 or 3 most important ones that to the employer. So what are they going to be looking for? What's the most important? And then use the evidence that you wrote in that chart and write sentences. It's not bulleted, it's not pasting that chart in. Write sentences that provide further evidence than you're going to put in your resume. A little bit more detail that describes how you acquired that knowledge or that skill. Okay, and if possible, make sure that you want to find a job that's a good fit for you, for your high 5 strengths. Remember when we did that assessment and we talked about people are happier when they can do a job that their high 5 strengths are used. So if there's something in that job posting that you can mention in the cover letter, that's terrific. And again, if it's coach, I'm not looking for you to exactly use the word coach or believer or something. You can use a synonym. So I have good teaching skills. I'm good at supporting people. I'm a good helper. Okay, so again, these are the charts that I'm talking about that you should have completed earlier. So this is what they want, and this is your evidence of you having it. So this is where you can use that information in addition to putting it in your resume. Put some of it in your cover letter. You're not going to directly repeat, but hopefully you can expand on it a little bit so it really clarifies that you have the skills and knowledge they want. And that ends video 4 for week 11.